Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to preserve your potatoes, especially Irish potatoes, for French fries later. This preservation will help you prevent wastage, and at the same time it will help you save time, because sometimes when you want to eat fries you may not have the time to peel and do all those stuffs, but when you've prepared it long before that day, it will be very easy for you to fry. So the first thing I'm doing now is to peel. I washed the potato because it's very dirty, so now I'm peeling it. Yes, so the next thing is for you to cut it to the shape you like. Guys, I'm very hungry. Like, I was really hungry when I was doing this because I didn't know that the potatoes were this small, because I wasn't concentrating when I was buying them, so I didn't know it was this small. So just cut it to your preferred shapes. So when you're done cutting, you're going to rinse with salt and normal room temperature water. You're going to wash and rinse to bring out the starch. So that's what I'm doing right here. The next thing is to parboil the potatoes for 3 minutes. Like, you pour it in the pot, add cold water and salt, then give it a careful stir, cover and let it cook for like just 2 minutes. Let it boil for like 2-3 minutes. You are not cooking it, you are not cooking it fully, just to parboil it in a half done way. After that, you seal the water out. You have to be very fast when you are doing this so that you'll be able to stop the cooking process on time, and rinse it with normal water. Then after that, I used ice water. Like, yes, I use ice water like a block. I use ice water to stop the cooking process very fast. If you don't have ice, don't worry, you can just put it under a running tap. There was no light for water here, so I had to just improvise. So if you don't have ice water, you can just put it under a running tap and make sure that you use your hand to scatter it so that the water will be able to touch everywhere and stop the cooking process. You can see how it is here. It is not really cooked. So the next thing is for you to dry your potatoes. You may not do it this way. I'm using paper towel to pat dry. If you can't, I couldn't wait, that's why you can leave it in the sieve and let it just drain itself. But I couldn't wait, so that's why I use paper towel. This is the first way you can do it. The second way is to just put it in the sieve and use a paper towel to pat dry. If you are doing so many, do you get? So you can do it this way as well, to pat dry it. So after that, we are going to be using our cornstarch. The cornstarch actually is what gives your fries crunchiness. If you want your fries to be crunchy, you have to use corn flour to mix the potatoes. That's what I'm doing. I'm doing it this way to make it very easy. You can do it some other way, but I recommend this kind of way to make it very easy to incorporate the cornstarch with the potatoes. Yeah, so I discovered that the flour is too much, so I added a little more potato. You get the drift. So when you're done like this, you can fry, or you can, no, you shouldn't fry like this. You can just put it in the fridge for like 30 minutes for it to just cool. When it's now cool, you can now fry. You can now deep fry in a hot oil. But if you can't fry like after you're done prepping, like me, you put it in the freezer to use till whenever you want to use it. It will stay in my freezer for like a week or two before I eventually fry. So watch out in my next video. I'll show you how to fry your frozen French fries. So watch out, guys. So this is the end of, you can see how it is, the look and everything. That's the end of the video, guys. Please guys, subscribe to my channel. We already have 50k subscribers. Please turn on your notification bell so that anytime I drop video, you'll know. Thank you.